Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. In this video I'm just going to be giving you a little overview of this Harbor Freight step stool that can be used for many different purposes, but the main reason it was suggested to me to get is for working on my truck. You know, when I'm doing stuff in the engine or something, or maybe even, you know, washing the truck, just to get that little extra height, because even though my truck isn't even lifted, it is a struggle to do some work in the engine bay. So with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at this step stool and see how well it's made. I will say one thing I noticed when first opening this that caught my eye is the picture they show on the box here is just at the right angle to where, you know, it says collapsible for easy storage. Well, that's just at the right angle to where it looks like it'll collapse pretty small. As you can see here, it doesn't collapse very small. Now obviously it being a small step stool, it's just small in general, but yeah, I was thinking that maybe it would be a little bit slimmer, but yeah, it's pretty much just the legs folding up, add to the extra width of it, and that's the way it is. There's really not even anything on here that is going to make it easy to hang up and store, except for this handle right here. I mean, that'll be fine just to hang up somewhere, but yeah, not as a small profile design as I was actually expecting it to be. So let me go ahead and show you some sample uses of it. I'm still going to keep it because it is something I need and it's going to be handy to have. So yeah, let's see how it works. The locking mechanism on this is actually really well done and is super easy to switch on and get off. The rubber feet are a softer type of rubber that are a little more grippy rather than being a harder, slippery type of rubber. Overall, it has a really nice construction, really solid build. Looks really well put together. Now I am right at 6 foot tall, and as you can see here in the before without the stool, I have to stretch as much as possible and I can barely get to the oil dipstick and still can't grip it enough. But with the stool, I have plenty of height and can really get into the back of the engine bay and access things such as the oil dipstick very easily. It also provides enough height to wash the top of the truck rather than climbing into the bed and accessing it that way. Hey, so I hope this video helped you out. Obviously it's a really simple product and really simple video, but you know, some people just want to see how the product looks and how well it's built maybe and in use before they go buy it. So that's what my aim was for this video. Also, if you'd give this video a like, I'd really appreciate it, and if you want to keep up seeing the videos I come out with every week, you know where the button is for that. Thanks for watching.